Trade and tribute. Because the geography of the Aztec Empire was so varied, natural resources came from all corners of the territory. People from peasants to nobles depended on trade and tribute for the goods they needed and wanted. The Aztecs did not have domesticated animals such as donkeys, and no major rivers flowed through the region. As a result, people transported nearly all goods on their backs. In villages throughout the former Aztec Empire, archaeologists have discovered bronze objects, obsidian blades, containers used to hold salt, and tools for spinning fiber from cotton. Cotton was another important crop for the Aztecs. Peasant women spun and wove cotton fibers into cloth. Excuse me. This cloth was used for garments for trade and given as tributes to the rulers. Peasants also made paper from the bark of wild fig trees. Workers in the Valley of Mexico processed salt from saline lakes to trade for other goods they needed. Trade united the villages and cities throughout the empire and kept them in communication. Because of Spanish descriptions of the Aztecs, many historians believe that the Aztecs retained their empire through military might. However, tribute was critical to the Aztec Empire's success. Aztec rulers accumulated great wealth from tribute. This wealth enabled them to build cities such as Tenochtitlan, undertake military campaigns, and maintain luxurious lifestyles. Royal luxuries and flower wars. Goods, corn, cotton, salt, and obsidian blades were traded throughout the empire. Certain goods, feathers, jaguar skins, and gold were only available to Aztec rulers. Historians have learned more details about the Aztec tribute system from the Codex Mendoza. The Codex Mendoza is a book of paintings created by a Spanish artist in Central America about 20 years after the Spanish arrival. In its pages, the artist depicts daily Aztec life, events in the history of the Aztec Empire, and tribute paid to Aztec rulers. The tribute includes not only necessities such as corn and fish, but also animal pelts, feathered shields, and elaborate garments. In Aztec culture, warriors were nobles. Many of the most luxurious tribute items were used to create warriors' garments, shields, and headdresses. After a battle, the battlefield would be covered with brightly clothed warriors who had been killed. To the Spanish, these fallen warriors looked like petals fallen from flowers, so they called Aztec battles flower wars.